Hello friends, my name is Dolamani Sahu from class 10 and today I am going to demonstrate you Newton's law of universal gravitational constant. Newton's law of universal gravitation states that force of attraction between any two bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers of the gravity. Suppose these are two bodies of mass m1 and m2 separated by a distance d. Then F is the force of attraction between them. We know that force of attraction between any two bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers of gravity. So in first case, F is directly proportional to product of their masses. Okay, then in another case, F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Combining both cases, we get on combining we get F is directly proportional to product of their masses but inversely proportional to the d square. So we can write in this manner also. For the removal of sign of proportionality, we can use the term gravitational constant like there. Like this. So now move on to definition and unit of universal gravitational constant. If there are two bodies, each of unit mass 1 kg, such that the distance between their centers is also unit 1 meter, then in the formula F is equals to G multiplied by the product of the masses divided by d square, or we can also write as we take the masses as 1 kg and the distance as 1 meter, then in the formula F is equals to G multiplied by 1 and divided by the square of 1. And after all, we conclude that F is equals to G, that is gravitational constant, universal gravitational constant. So the universal gravitational constant is equal to the force of attraction between two unit masses when they are separated by a unit distance as measured from their centers. So these are the basics we learned in this video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, see you soon.